Now that we've set up our GitHub repo, connected it to Dataform, configured our workspace, and declared all source tables, it's time to build something real. In this section, you'll be building a fully modular analytics pipeline for an e-commerce funnel using the dataset we declared earlier. This is your coding challenge. We're going to break it into 5 steps. Each step corresponds to one sqlx file. The final result will be a table called Sales Funnel Summary, where we track user behavior, product sales, and conversion KPIs. You'll be writing modular SQL using ref logic, and you'll apply everything you learned: config blocks, source declarations, naming strategy, folder structure. Here are the tables you'll be using: events, raw user activity like page views and purchases, orders and order in items, transactional data, products and distribution centers, product metadata, users, user profiles with age and gender. All of these have already been declared, so you can reference them directly using ref. The challenge is split into 5 parts, one per sqlx file. In the next lecture, you'll see Challenge 1. You'll get the description, inputs, and expected output. Try it yourself first. Once you're done, check the solution video to see how I'd approach it. Let's build this thing.